And here's a tape. It's like Home Alone 3. I was put on the 18th week of 1998. Putting in the VCR. Theatrical preview.
What happened, Doc?
I think he's got into arrest.
Oh my God, he's a goner!
He's not breathing.
He's not breathing!
It's a false alarm. It's just gas.
If he dies, I don't know what I'll do. You drag me outside and eat me. Only out of respect.
20th Century Fox presents.
Let's be final with this. I can hear these animals talking. And stop looking at me like that.
One man.
Probably under a lot of pressure.
It's Home Alone 2, Home Alone 3.
Pressure.
But
He's a self-hating
watch.
pigeon.
Yeah, I've watched Home Alone 2.
May I ask you something?
Good
If
from
I
my
turn this
good
way, don't
sequel
I
from
look, a little like
1992,
Blue Jay?
and I'm gonna watch Home Alone 3.
Call the Wild.
Come on, Dad. Slow down. I'm getting what's going up here.
One more word, I'm gonna pull over like Dr. Carr for the real animals.
And answered.
Daddy, do I still have those BB guns I used to have when I was a kid?
Let's chill. Let's just chill.
Eddie Murphy.
Oh, what a day.
Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down tonight.
Dr. Dolittle.
Don't fix me. I won't look at another female ever. I swear. Yo, baby. Pretty sweet there, sugar. Is it? No, I'm just lazy.
The Doctor's in the Summer.
For years, the world has seen reality distorted, facts manipulated, and truth hidden. But there's even more to the story than anyone has ever suspected. Because no one has been able to see the whole picture. Until now.
Mulder?
Cherish the past. Enjoy the present. Because the truth is coming.
The X-Files from the future, June 19th, 1998. For theater. Home video preview.
Hey, guys.
It's Home Alone and Home Alone 2 Lost in New York. Available separately on video at a knockout low price.
He's back. Don't you know a kid always wins against two idiots?
See all the fun and all the laughs again and again on video. Bring home the best gifts when you buy Home Alone and Home Alone 2 Lost in New York now on video.
Yes.
It's perfect for the entire family to watch again and again.
Don't let it child!
So don't slip up. Buy the best comedies.
Yes.
Home Alone and Home Alone 2 Lost in New York on video.
And there's plenty more where that came from.
Complete your collection today.
New on video. From Artman Animations, the creators of Wallace and Gromit, comes the hilarious, magical adventures of the Morph Files. Meet the lovable Morph and his clay-animated friends, Chaz, Grand Morph, and a little green alien called Gobbledygook. Together, they'll take you on a series of fantastic, imaginative adventures you'll want to watch again and again. The Morph Files. 3 fun-filled videos featuring 4 unique episodes on each tape. Coming soon to your local video store.
Meet the most famous little girl ever.
I'm Heidi. I'm Sarah. I'm the Stowaway.
The girl everyone is looking for.
Have you seen Shirley around anywhere? Get her back there. I want that kid right now.
Now Shirley Temple is better than ever.
Oh, it's almost too good to be true.
In the all-new Shirley Temple Sing and Dance Along video.
Larry, strike up the band.
I'm
Now you can sing and dance along with 12 of her most memorable songs
I know them all by heart.
that people of all ages will enjoy.
Boys love that.
And add to your collection with these other Shirley Temple movies: Heidi, Rebecca of Sunnybrook Farm, and The Little Princess.
Oh, that's wonderful.
4 fabulous videos, 1 fabulous little girl. The Shirley Temple Sing and Dance Along video. Heidi, Rebecca of Sunnybrook Farm, and The Little Princess. Available now, only on video.
Get ready to connect with fun and adventure in Virtual Connects.
Way cool.
Join Ken Expert in an incredible adventure to defeat the evil Rex Oedipus, building 5 awesome vehicles to help you on your mission.
He's gotta help us.
Use your new vehicles to roar past swamp creatures, fight blazing fires, and fly your helicopter in for the ultimate battle to save the Connects universe.
One.
Virtual Connects, it's your mission.
Go ahead. Take your best shot.
For Windows 3.1 and Windows 95 CD-ROM from Fox Interactive.
Meet Crocodilius crusaderus, or Croc, found in caves, volcanoes, and ice glaciers. The Helpless Sailus, or Gobos, held captive under the spell of the ugliest, meanest, or Baron Dante, Croc's sworn enemy. Run, swim, climb, and jelly jump through 45 levels of depth-defying 3D. Sink your tooth into Croc for PlayStation from Fox Interactive. Fox Kids, take a ride! Are you ready to fight it? Galactus!
I got it.
Hang on, because it's non-stop fun! Watch Fox Kids, take a ride!
All new Family of Fox Family
Come
Channel.
on, clap to this.
Here is
Put your hands together. Put your hands together.
It's coming. Witness the weird, the wild, the wacky. Learn the shocking truth about the game behind the game. See the Strike Zone transformed into Cyber Zone and baseball pranks that curl your toes. The hidden, the spitting, the hot dogs. Watch In the Zone, a baseball show for the Fox generation. Saturdays on Fox.
following films and Morph Files original version. The format fit the screen.